Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point, especially for Windows 11. All right, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, find CMD or the command prompt. Now, click on Run as an Administrator. Click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now, in here, just going to type down power CFG space / hibernate space off. Okay. Now, once that's done, just hit on Enter. Now, go ahead and close command prompt. And then next up, go ahead and find the search bar once more and type down appearance. Okay, now go ahead and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And here, go ahead and find the advanced tab. And then go ahead and click on under virtual memory, we have here change. Untick automatically manage. Now go ahead and select the drive. And then make sure or the drive that you are having problem with, where it says you cannot shrink. Okay, just click on it and tap on no paging file set. Click on yes, and then after that, click on OK. Now once that's done, just click on OK, and then go ahead and check if it helps. Okay, if that doesn't work, go ahead and go back to appearance right here, and this tabs. Okay, you will find system protection. If you have that option, just click on it. Now click on the drive that is problematic and hit on configure. Now where it says turn on system protection, just disable it. Okay. And after that, you should be good to go. Just restart your computer and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point in Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.